you how to make microwave karaage, Japanese fried chicken, using this special tray. I happened to win this tray at a sweepstakes, so I tried it out and it turned out pretty good. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I will show you how to use this product, but I know it is not available overseas, maybe online. So in the end of the video, I will do a quick giveaway, so don't miss it.
Here are the ingredients. You need sake, grated ginger, and soy sauce. Mix well. Now cut the chicken into 8 pieces. Then marinate for 15 minutes. Now put starch or flour in a plastic bag. Remove excess seasonings from the chicken using paper towel, then add it into the plastic bag. Shake to coat the chicken with the starch. Discard excess starch if any. Then add 2 teaspoons of cooking oil. Coat with oil until no longer powdery. So this is Cookper Microwave Karaage Tray set I'm going to use. In the box, you can find 1 tray and 6 wavy silicone sheets. Each sheet is one-time use. Place 1 wavy sheet on the tray. Place the chicken pieces. Place the tray on the microwavable dish, then microwave at 500 watts for 6 minutes. As you can see, wavy tray catches excess oil. And now it's done! You can change the seasonings and enjoy your favorite flavor. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.
海外の人はね、鶏皮が苦手って人が多いと思うので、外して作ってみました。はい、こんな感じの本当に唐揚げのような仕上がりになっています。じゃあ早速食べてみたいと思います。これはね、結構美味しいです。私的にはリピありかなと思います。なので興味がある人はぜひ買ってみてくださいね。当たらないとね、こんなのわざわざ買って使ってみようって思わないので、今回は検証で当たってよかったなと思いました。これはなかなかいいです。美味しいし、あと簡単だし、油も結構カットできるので、ほんと唐揚げがね、ヘルシーに楽しめる気がします。So I'm going to give this away to 3 people. So if you want one, please comment and let me know your favorite deep fried food. If you don't like deep fried food, then you can tell me you don't like it, but just let me know what you make instead of deep fried food. So more details are in the description box, so I hope you have good luck.